For those of you eagerly anticipating the incoming blizzard, Environment and Climate Change Canada's first ever orange warning blizzard for Saskatchewan, and you are looking for more information and have attempted to use the WeatherCan app, I am here to help. It is an app that is packed with all of the information that you might need, but not so easy to navigate, I have been told. So to begin, you're going to land on this page, which is likely set to your current location. At the very top, your alerts are always going to be there. So very simply, open that alert up. You can read about the new color-coded system, which will give you an impact level and the confidence of the forecast, as well as some actual impacts. And these new warnings also have some more clear language or stronger language, depending on whether they're yellow, orange, or red. So something like travel will be dangerous and likely impossible due to near zero visibility. Those are the types of things you'll see in these new warnings. But on the app itself, if you're not satisfied with that and you're looking to get a little more information about other regions or maybe how widespread these warnings are, what you need to do is go to the bottom right here and click on More. And you're going to go to Weather Information, open that up, and then you're going to go to Weather Alerts, open that up, and you're going to come to the Weather Alerts landing web page. It's not actually in the app. And then you are going to see they've got a little tutorial about their color-coded weather alerts, blah, blah, blah. This is where your forecasts and alerts are on the weather information map. It says use your mobile app, but you can get the radar map there, but I can't find a way to get the warning map there. So you're going to go to weather information map, click on that, and it's going to bring you to the full Canadian map, which you can then zoom in on with your fingers if you like. If you click on that warning area on the map, it'll give you the nearest sort of town. So this is for Girvan, which is about where I clicked. As you can see, it's got that orange warning blizzard. It's got all of the information that you need there. Click off of that. Let's say you're looking for down here. Same deal. It's going to bring up that same warning, but now you're at Langbank, Saskatchewan. But you can click on any area of the map. So we want to get close to Assiniboia. This is Wood Mountain Provincial Park. There you can see we've got a moderate impact. It's a yellow wind warning down there. Alternatively, if you're looking for the system where they've got all split up by city and RM, then you can find that below this map by opening up the province and then looking directly at, oh, there's an orange warning blizzard for Regina. You could read about that. If you wanted to see what Lloydminster's up to, they've got the yellow warning winter storm. Meanwhile, up at Fond du Lac, we're going to see a cold warning, and it's also yellow. All that information is stored there. Click the back arrow, and you are back on the app. This map in the app is a radar map. So you can see the incoming clipper once it starts to pick up steam. You'll be able to look at it on radar. Settings, it's only got the 3-hour, 1 hour, and the colored layer. So nothing about alerts or being able to put warnings on the map. Perhaps that's coming. When you go to layers, you've got intensity and type for precipitation and a lightning option, but nothing else. Anyway, that's the map tutorial for today. Good luck and stay safe during our first orange blizzard in Saskatchewan.